Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Home decor is an ever-evolving canvas, a reflection of personal style, comfort, and the stories that define the spaces we inhabit. It's about curating an environment that goes beyond functionality, transforming four walls into a living, breathing testament to individuality and aesthetic sensibilities. Color serves as a powerful brushstroke in the tapestry of home decor. Whether it's the calming embrace of neutrals, the bold statement of vibrant hues, or the subtle sophistication of muted tones, color sets the mood and personality of a space. Thoughtfully chosen color palettes can evoke emotions, define themes, and tie different rooms together in a harmonious symphony. Furniture becomes the embodiment of both form and function in home decor. From the timeless elegance of classic pieces to the modern allure of sleek, contemporary designs, furniture choices shape the visual narrative of a room. Mixing styles, materials, and textures adds depth and interest, creating a dynamic and visually engaging environment. Textures play a crucial role in elevating the sensory experience of a space. Plush carpets, soft throws, and tactile fabrics can transform a room, adding layers of comfort and visual intrigue. Combining different textures, such as the juxtaposition of smooth surfaces with natural elements like wood or stone, contributes to a multi-dimensional and inviting atmosphere. Wall treatments provide a vast canvas for creative expression. From statement wallpapers that tell a story to textured finishes that add depth, walls become an integral part of the decor. Artwork and gallery walls showcase personal taste and experiences, infusing character and visual interest into the space. Lighting is not just a functional necessity but a design element that shapes the ambience of a room. Pendant lights, chandeliers, and floor lamps serve as both practical and aesthetic additions, creating focal points and casting a warm glow that enhances the overall mood. Decorative accents and accessories are the finishing touches that breathe life into a space. From carefully curated collections of books and artifacts to thoughtfully placed vases and sculptures, these details add a personal touch and tell the story of the inhabitant. Indoor plants, with their vibrant greenery, bring nature indoors, enhancing the overall sense of well-being. Ultimately, home decor is a continuous dialogue between creativity and functionality. It's an exploration of the balance between aesthetics and livability, a journey that unfolds over time as spaces evolve and personal styles develop. It's the art of transforming a house into a home, where every element reflects the unique spirit of those who dwell within its walls.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!